What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. So I'm checking on one more Kirby just tonight. And then might do another one tomorrow. I don't know. This one here is my 1984 Kirby Heritage 2. This is the HD-13, which means out of the factory this thing came with a 13-inch nozzle. And typically you only seen these models back in the day in like office settings or maybe even a church. So this is another one I bought at Goodwill. I've had this one for, hang on a minute. Sorry about that, I had a sneeze. I did that off camera. But anyway, I had this one for probably, 3 or 4 years. Maybe longer than that. And I paid a little over $6 for it, believe it or not. And let's see how well she still runs. Ain't ran it in, probably 4 or 5 months, maybe longer than that. Still sounds good. As old as this machine is, it does not have a tech drive. But it still vacuums rather well. As you can see, it is grooming the carpet. Sounds pretty good. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment down below. We'll see you next time, man. Before I go, I always want to remind you guys that Jesus loves you, and have a wonderful day, everybody.